Hey everyone, welcome back to D Reviews, where our team digs into flashy internet products and scrubs off the marketing grime to reveal what's really underneath. Today's spotlight is on the Qinux WaterBlitz, the little nozzle with big dreams. It's being advertised as a revolutionary gadget that turns your garden hose into a dirt-blasting super soaker. No electricity, no bulky machine, just hydropower, they say. Sounds impressive, right? But hang on. Is this a real breakthrough or just another overhyped gadget ready to water down your wallet? According to its websites, WaterBlitz.com and WaterBlitz Pressure Washer.com, the WaterBlitz can increase your hose's water pressure by up to 15 times. Yes, 15. That's not a typo. They're basically promising to turn your backyard hose into a firefighter's cannon. But let's be real, anyone with basic plumbing knowledge, or even just a functional brain, knows that water pressure is controlled by your home's plumbing system. Nozzle or not, if your kitchen tap dribbles like a leaky straw, this isn't going to magically blast through concrete. Sure, you can make the water stream more focused, but multiplying pressure without a powered pump? That's not hydro technology, that's hydro fantasy. Next, they claim the Qinux WaterBlitz saves water, energy, and effort. Now we're in comedy territory. Real pressure washers use more water per second because, well, that's how they clean effectively. What this nozzle is likely doing is making water shoot faster in a narrow stream, which looks powerful but wastes just as much, if not more, water over time. So unless saving water means soaking your shoes and scaring the neighbor's cat, we're not buying it. We took a stroll through the WaterBlitz website and let's just say, it's sketchier than a raccoon with a credit card. Here's what we noticed. Dramatic before and after photos that are clearly lifted from stock photo websites. A countdown timer that resets every time you refresh the page. Urgency tactics straight out of the dropshipper's playbook. It's a masterclass in artificial panic. And those customer reviews on their websites? Half of them look like AI-generated people living in genericville. Let's be honest. If this thing were truly revolutionary, they wouldn't need recycled images and fake urgency. They'd have viral videos of people power washing their driveways while sipping lemonade. But nope. This whole thing screams drop shipping. We've seen this movie before. Simple, low-cost product given a fancy name. Marked up to 5 times its real value. Sold on a flashy site full of half-truths. And guess what? Identical nozzles can be found on AliExpress and Amazon for under $5, minus all the false promises. WaterBlitz didn't invent this thing, they just rebranded it and threw a sales funnel on top of it. Now let's be fair, if you order it, you'll probably get something in the mail. So technically, not a scam in the take your money and vanish way. But when you promise pressure-boosting magic and deliver a glorified hose tip, well, that's misleading at best and intentionally deceptive at worst. You won't get deep cleaning, you won't save water, and you'll wonder why you didn't just spend the same money on a decent adjustable sprayer from your local hardware store. If you're cleaning your patio, driveway, or zombie apocalypse mess, this isn't the tool for the job. The WaterBlitz may shoot out water like it means business, but without real pressure, it's more bark than blast. Save your money for a proper electric pressure washer or a well-reviewed hose attachment that doesn't rely on false marketing to sell. And hey, if you did get one and used it to successfully blast away grime, or just got wet and confused, tell us about it in the comments. We want to hear your story either way. Thanks for tuning in to D Reviews, the channel where we cut through the hype, not your garden hose. Hit that like button if you learned something, subscribe for more deep dives into internet products, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next expose. Until next time, shop smart, question everything, and don't let your wallet get water blitzed.